The Sneezing Dragon. In the village of Willow Creek, everyone feared the mountain dragon, not because he was mean, but because he had the biggest sneeze in the world. Every time he sneezed, the trees shook, the sheep tumbled over, and all the villagers' hats went flying. One day, brave little Lila climbed the mountain with a gift, a giant hanky she made from old curtains. "For your nose, Mr. Dragon," she said. The dragon blinked in surprise. "No one ever thought to help me," he sniffled. From that day on, with his new hanky in claw, his sneezes were much softer, and the village could finally keep their hats on.